They can run at speeds of 28 miles per hour. They can open doors and do your dishes. They can dance and do gymnastic routines. Over the last decade, Boston Dynamics robots have come a long way, and their evolution is uncanny. Big Dog. Boston Dynamics debuted its first legged robot, Big Dog, in 2004. It was designed to be a pack mule for soldiers. The four-legged robot could carry around 400 pounds and navigate in difficult terrains. Unfortunately, that project was shelved as the robot was too loud for combat use. Cheetah and Wildcat. Cheetah was one of the fastest quadruped robots developed by Boston Dynamics. With a top speed of 28.3 miles per hour, Cheetah was faster than Usain Bolt. The good news for Bolt is that Cheetah was confined to a treadmill system by its plugged-in hydraulic tethers. In 2011, its free-running offspring, the Wildcat, arrived. Wildcat could run at a speed of 16 miles per hour without losing its balance, thanks to dynamic control algorithms and an array of sensors. Spot. In 2015, Boston Dynamics unveiled their now famous robot Spot. Spot was an electrically powered and hydraulically actuated robot. At 160 pounds, it was much smaller and quieter than its previous canine-inspired ancestor robots. Spot could walk at speeds up to 3 miles per hour, climb terrain, avoid obstacles, see 360 degrees, and perform several programmed tasks. In 2016 came Spot's little brother, the Spot Mini. It was by far the quietest and smallest Boston Dynamics robot up to that time. Weighing just 66 pounds, Spot Mini was an all-electric robot that could operate for 90 minutes on a single charge. In 2020, Boston Dynamics renamed its updated Spot Mini as Spot, the company's first commercially available product. The Spot Robot Dog is available to purchase for $74,500. The 2015 Spot is now referred to as Spot Classic. Spot Arm. 2 years after its first release, Spot was given an arm. It is mounted on the robot's front shoulders, enabling it to do a variety of tasks, such as picking up fragile objects, opening doors, and even doing the laundry. So far, Spot has gained most of its success as an inspection robot. It has been deployed for use on offshore oil rigs and nuclear plants. Recently, Spot took part in a 2-day military exercise alongside French soldiers. Petman. In 2009, Boston Dynamics unveiled its first humanoid robot. The Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin, Petman for short, was attached to a tether and could walk, squat, and do push-ups. It was developed to test the performance of protective military gear against chemical warfare agents. Atlas. Making its public debut in 2013, Atlas is a free-running version of Petman. The current Atlas model has stereo vision and range sensors that allow it to navigate and manipulate objects in its environment. Atlas can do gymnastic routines, such as backflipping and parkour. One can only imagine what Atlas will be up to in 5 years from now. Handle. First released in 2017, this robot is a combination of wheels and legs. It was designed specifically for material handling applications. It has a manipulator arm that can pick up heavy loads. Its swinging tail helps it maintain balance and move dynamically in tight spaces. Stretch. Stretch is the commercial version of Handle and the newest robot in the Boston Dynamics family. It is designed to do only one job: move boxes in a warehouse. Stretch has a square mobile base the size of a pallet, camera and other sensors, and a large robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom. This allows it to move around in existing warehouses without needing them to be redesigned. With the release of its latest robots, Boston Dynamics is transitioning from a focus on research and military products to offering a variety of commercial products. In June, Hyundai officially acquired Boston Dynamics. How will this affect the company? Will we see its robots wandering our streets and workplaces soon? Only time will tell.